Today we're diving into the future of floor cleaning with the all-new Yeedi S14 Plus. This advanced robot vacuum features the latest OZMO roller mopping technology, solving a major issue with traditional disk mop robots. Dirty water spreading grime instead of truly cleaning. How does it compare? We'll put it to the test with real-world challenges. Thanks to Yeedi for sponsoring today's video. Shop the link in the description. Most robot vacuums today use spinning disk mops, but they come with significant downsides. They often reuse dirty water, making floors even messier, apply low pressure, only 220 pascals, that struggles to remove stubborn stains, and distribute water unevenly, leading to streaks and potential damage to wooden floors. The Yeedi S14 Plus revolutionizes floor cleaning by addressing all these issues. Inspired by Tyneco's roller mopping technology, Yeedi brings the same high-end cleaning performance to a fully automated robot vacuum. Unlike traditional disk mop robots that drag dirty water around, the OZMO roller mopping system uses 16 nozzles to continuously deliver fresh water while simultaneously removing dirty water. The mop undergoes 200 cleaning operations per minute through a 4-step process. Spray, spraying fresh water. Wash, scrubbing stains with a high-speed roller. Squeeze, scraping off dirt and excess water. Recycle, suctioning away dirty water, ensuring that your floors are always clean with fresh water, a major upgrade from conventional mopping robots. The Yeedi S14 Plus also features 4,000 pascals of downward pressure, delivering 18 times more cleaning power than traditional disk mops. This allows it to eliminate tough stains like soy sauce, coffee, and dried spills in a single pass. Its ultra-efficient water management system controls water flow precisely, which ensures floors dry quickly without streaks or residue, making it safe for wooden surfaces. The S14 removes the stain in one pass without leaving residue, whereas a disk mop spreads the stain around and leaves dirty water marks. Beyond mopping, the S14 Plus offers unmatched vacuuming performance with an 18,000 pascal powerful suction fan, effortlessly tackling pet hair, human hair, and deep-seated dirt with its cyclone-directed anti-tangle roller brush. It also boasts TruEdge 2.0 Smart Edge cleaning, extending its side brush and roller mop to ensure complete coverage even in corners. The Avi 3D 3.0 Smart Obstacle Avoidance system detects and navigates around objects with millimeter precision, preventing the robot from getting stuck. The fully automated cleaning base takes convenience to another level with auto mop washing using hot water, auto mop drying to prevent bacterial buildup, and auto dust collection with a 3-liter dust bag that holds up to a month's worth of dirt. So what makes the Yeedi S14 Plus stand out? It features the same powerful roller mopping technology as Tyneco, but in a fully automated system. Its fresh water mopping system ensures you never clean with dirty water again. With 4,000 pascals of downward pressure and 18,000 pascals of suction power, it effectively tackles even the toughest messes. Smart Edge cleaning and AI obstacle avoidance guarantee complete coverage, while the fully self-cleaning base eliminates manual maintenance. If you're looking for the most advanced robot mop that truly cleans instead of spreading dirt, the Yeedi S14 Plus is the one to get. Check the link in the description to learn more.